Hi to my brothers and sisters. This is a testimony. This is a continued testimony of Jesus delivered me from spirits and demons in myself, and I would like to share with you what are my sin. I repent those sin, and Jesus helped me to get through from he led me to people that can help me to deliver me from all those spirits and demons. And I would like to thank first Apostle Catherine Crick. She helped me a lot, and the ministry of Noah Hines Deliverance. So he delivered me also from all the spirits and demons. And I would like to enumerate all those sin that I committed and all those spirits. So there are demons and spirits behind those sin, and sin is a open door to the kingdom of Satan. So here it is. So I deliver Jesus delivered me from spirit of anger, soul tie, anger to my parents, smoking, alcohol, pornography. Pornography is connected with the incubus partner. So Jesus delivered me from all those sin. And masturbation is also connected to the incubus partner, that Jesus showed me that I have a partner in spirit, so that I always want to isolate myself. So there is demon behind that sin. Men, lesbian, spirit, demon of being a lesbian, and unforgiveness, generational curse, being strong. So Beelzebul, the demon that Jesus showed me that I have a demon in myself, and it is Beelzebul. Demonic spirits, introverted, being a demon in introverted, isolation, fear, plans and goals, double mindfulness, flesh, gluttony, yoke from soul tie, and division, fantasizing, Korean drama, witchcraft, monitoring spirits, rituals, and marine kingdom. So Jesus delivered me from all those demons and spirits, and I am so very thankful because now, although I cannot say that I renew my life, but then all those stronghold demonic attack are now out of my life. I don't crave anymore, like I want to drink alcohol or to smoke. And thank you for the people who helped me to get through, especially those people in the I know I've known them on the church, especially on church they are active. So I would like to say thank you so much for helping me. And Jesus, I would like to glorify Jesus in this uh, new wine of myself, to glorify God and to thank God for all those things that He delivered me, and I am so very very thankful. So have a blessed day. Thank you for watching this video.